In this video, you will learn about click-through rate, watch time, and the ideal video length. I will cover more on analytics later on in the course, but here are the basics upon which you can decide the ideal video length. According to YouTube, your click-through rate is how often viewers watched a video after seeing its thumbnail. When YouTube shows your video, those are called impressions. Here's the click-through rate formula. Number of clicks divided by number of impressions times 100 equals CTR. So if 10 people clicked on a video, but 1,000 people saw the thumbnail overall, you'd have a click-through rate of 10%. You can see your CTR for each video in the YouTube Studio Analytics. What makes people click your video? The thumbnail and the title. Make no mistake, these are the most important factors to consider when creating a video. So don't spend 10 hours in creating the video and only 10 minutes to create the title or a thumbnail, because you can have the best video in the world. If people are not clicking on it to view it, and that goes vice versa, you can have the best title and thumbnail in the world if the video is not good enough for people to watch. Watch time measures how much time people viewed your video. So if you have a 10-minute length video and people watch it for at least 7 minutes, then that is ideal for you, since YouTube can place more ads in your video and they will make more money and they will recommend it to more people. So CTR and watch time are very important metrics for your channel when it comes to ad revenue. The ideal length of a video can be 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even more. There's no such thing as ideal. You should be focusing on creating high-value content so people can click and watch your video till the end. That is how YouTube measures data when it comes to monetization. Try not to make a video longer just for the sake of being longer and not provide valuable content that people actually enjoy watching. A 2-minute video, for example, that has an average view duration of 1.5 minutes will get suggested by the algorithm significantly more than a 10-minute video that has an average view duration of 2 minutes. And the reason being is because the first example retains viewers for a longer portion of the video, and that tells YouTube that the audience enjoyed it more. And so, it'll get suggested a lot more. The key thing to focus on is simply creating high-quality videos that can maintain audience interest for as long as possible.